Diabetes is becoming a common issue for many Indians. It has become common amongst the youths as well as senior citizens. While many of us crave that special sugarcane juice in the summer, it is not suitable for diabetic patients. Here we bring some diabetic friendly juices which on consumption would not just satisfy their craving for juices in summer, rather it would help keeping type 2 diabetes in check. For diabetes patients, vegetable juices serve best because they don't add extra sugar in the body. They also keep the body hydrated as many diabetes patients lose water through urination. Let's talk about the recipes. Recipe 1. Ingredients: 1 slice cucumber, 1 tomato, coriander leaves. Ingredients: benefits. Cucumber is known for increasing water retention and maintaining hydration of the body. It contains antioxidant and helps in reducing blood sugar. Tomato are high in fiber and rich sources of vitamin A and K. It helps reduce the risk of heart diseases and cancer. There is a scientific evidence that tomato help in keeping blood sugar levels in check. Coriander helps in digestion. It is good for the vital organs of the body like heart and brain. It improves immunity and help lower blood sugar levels. Preparation: take a blender jar, add sliced cucumber and tomato pieces, add coriander leaves to the blender jar, add 1 glass of water, blend the mixture, pour in a glass to serve. The cucumber tomato coriander juice is ready. Drink this juice to beat the heat and reverse the diabetes. Recipe 2. Ingredients: 1 slice cucumber, 1 slice ginger, 1 lemon, coriander leaves. Ingredients: benefit. Cucumber is known for increasing water retention and maintaining hydration of the body. It contains antioxidant and helps in reducing blood sugar. Ginger prevents morning sickness. It helps with weight loss and prevents indigestion. It helps lower blood sugar level and help in keeping the heart healthy. Lemon is a great source of vitamin C. It improves the health of the heart, the gut and the kidney. It improves the metabolism of a body. Coriander helps in digestion. It is good for the vital organ of the body like heart and the brain. It improves immunity and helps lower blood sugar levels. Preparation: in a blender jar, add sliced cucumber and ginger pieces along with coriander leaves. Add lemon juice to the blender and 1 glass of water. Blend the mixture well, pour it into a glass to serve. The cucumber, ginger, lemon, coriander juice is ready. Drink it once a week and observe the changes in your blood sugar levels. Recipe 3. Ingredients: 1 slice cucumber, 1 bitter gourd, 1 green apple, 2 tablespoons chia seeds. Ingredients: benefits. Cucumber is known for increasing water retention and maintaining hydration of the body. It contains antioxidant and helps in reducing blood sugar. Green apples are high in fiber, thus it promotes the health of the gut. It also acts as a prebiotic, which means it promotes the growth of good bacteria in the gut, helpful to maintain the health of the intestines. Bitter gourd keeps cholesterol in check. It also helps in weight loss. Bitter gourds can reduce blood sugar level of the body. Chia seeds are high on antioxidant, fiber as well as protein. They are good source of omega-3 fatty acid. Preparation: in a blender jar, add sliced cucumber, green apple and bitter gourd pieces. Add a glass of water and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Blend this well and pour in a glass. The cucumber, bitter gourd, green apple, chia seeds juice is ready. Regular consumption of this will help in reduction of blood sugar levels. Recipe 4. Ingredients: tomato. Ingredients: benefits. Tomato juice is a healthy option for diabetic patients. It also reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases in diabetic patients. Preparation: cut the tomato in small pieces, add the pieces to a blender jar and add 1 glass of water. Blend them and pour in a glass to serve. The tomato juice is ready. It can be consumed every day to see visible results. The above juices are beneficial for diabetes patients. They don't just help in quenching thirst in summer, rather they also help in detoxifying the body. They should be consumed along with proper diet, prescribed medication and regular exercise. Friends, I hope you all like our suggestion and tips. If you want more update on diabetes and its treatment, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button.